In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 29 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. It is less than 4, so we will consider the whole number 29. We know that 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 1. 1 is less than 4, so we need to put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4, that is why we will again borrow 0. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 29 divided by 4 is equal to 7.25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.